Location of their house, their home, and how much sun it actually gets. On top of a hill, surrounded by trees, etc., you're not going to get such great generation.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to look at your home, look at where your roofs are facing, look at the condition of your roof, and that's the first step. Be aware of how much energy you're using as well. It's usually a good idea, but not every house is suitable for it, but if you want to go for it, you need to be looking at that sort of areas. Yeah. That's what I think anyway.
Yeah, before you even engage a professional, the place has got to be suitable. If you've got a massive south-facing roof, then it's probably not going to be suitable.
Surrounded by trees.
Yeah, exactly. If you've got a nice 25, 30-year-old home, suitable. So just make sure that the house is going to be suitable for it. So north-facing or east-west facing. There are a few configurations that you can go through. But yeah.
You'll know as a homeowner how much sun you get, where the sun is.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of thing you're looking at.
Yeah. And the roof suitable. Yeah. So like Keith's touched on, if you have a leaky roof, maybe don't put solar on it straight away. Maybe fix that
roof first
before you get us in there.